Welcome to the Good Morning Minute of Inspiration podcast with your host, Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Our podcast goal is to bring a little inspiration to the world each and every morning. Each day we bring you a short inspirational message to kick off your morning and to put you in the positive attitude that is needed to win the day. We discuss a quote of the day and spread some insight in developing the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Passion. We help you find your passion in life and your dream job so you never have to work a day in your life. Goal setting. We show you how to establish lifelong goals so you have a written blueprint for your life so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And mindset. The ability to move forward under pressure, the mental toughness to succeed. Hey, I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30 plus years of experience helping others succeed in business startups, business management, self-improvement, and health and wellness programs. I have developed several companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school level here in Florida. I use all that experience to teach others how to be successful in life. My passion is to educate and inspire people to move forward towards success. Our company, Inspirational University, is here to help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mindset to succeed. Let's get to today's free daily podcast. Well, good morning out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners. Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and I thank you for downloading this episode, number 753, in year 3 of this podcast. Our quote of the day: not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. Not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. Hey, if you want to further today's discussion, you got comments on the podcast, questions on the podcast, questions on the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, mindset. You can post all of those questions on our community forum board. There's a link in the show notes below, or if you're a Facebook user, there's also a link over there. It's called the Move Forward Nation. Look it up and post your comments over there. We appreciate it. And also there's a link on our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. If you'd ever like to have something discussed on our show, maybe you got a favorite quote, maybe you got a topic you'd like us to feature on the podcast, maybe you just got an idea to make the podcast a little better, something about a product that you might want to share, business opportunity, whatever it is, reach out to me on my email, which is coachp@inspiringthem.com. It's coachp@inspiringthem.com. I'd also like to send you out our free booklet. It's called the 5 P's to Success. We show you how to use those 5 P's to develop the mental toughness to succeed, the ability to move forward under pressure. You can get the free booklet, the 5 P's to Success, which are passion, perception, perspective, progressing, and perseverance. The ability to move forward under pressure. The 5 P's booklet. Get it free of charge. There's a link here in our show notes below, or there's a link on our website, again, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Speaking of mastering the 3 phases of achievement, we're going to take a short break so you can hear a message on how you can master these 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Listen to the message, and we'll be right back. What are you looking to achieve? Whatever it is, you need to follow the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. Here at Inspirational University, we have created 3 courses to help you master each area of the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. The course is called Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This course takes you on a journey in locating your interest and determine what is your passion and how to make it your career so you never work a day in your life. Number 2 is goal setting, your life blueprint. This is a step-by-step course teaching you on how to establish lifelong goals and how to achieve them so you can move from being a dreamer to a successful goal setter. And number 3, mindset, developing your mental performance. Do you struggle with self-doubt and confidence? This course will help you gain control over your mind and thoughts so you can develop the mental toughness to achieve. Mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure. These 3 courses are packed full with how-to videos, lessons, and reference sheets, everything you need to master the 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. For additional information on each of these courses, hit the link in the show notes below or visit our website at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. The 3 phases of achievement. Number 1, passion. Number 2, goal setting. And number 3, mindset. Get your master course today at inspiringthem.com. That's inspiringthem.com. Hey, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and we're back at Inspirational University, where we prepare you to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. Our quote of the day, not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. Preach it all the time, folks. It's the second phase of the 3 phases of achievement, goal setting. I'm 100% behind this, 100% know that if you want to achieve anything you want to achieve in this world, you got to be a goal setter. You've got to write it down. You've got to break it into action steps. You've got to break them action steps into tasks. And if you do that, you'll be on your way to achieving everything it is that you want in this world. What are goals? Goals are a written plan of action. They're a blueprint for your life. They're going to give you the power to succeed. But not having goals, that's an excellent recipe for an average living. Hey, if you're happy with that, I guess that's fine. If you don't want to strive for better or strive for greatness, I guess that's fine. I got to admit, though, it drives me crazy. And being an athletic coach, being a high school teacher, it's one of the things I stress all the time. Don't settle for average. Most people settle for average. Most people settle for second best because, 1, they don't want to put into work to be great. 2, they tried before and didn't get it right the first time. So now they think they can't do it. They have this mental block in their mind, and they're afraid to go forward. Not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. Don't settle for second best. Don't settle for average. Folks, you can achieve anything in your life. I'm telling you, if you master the 3 phases of achievement, passion, goal setting, and mindset. But on the goal setting side, it's a written plan of action. You need to determine what is it that you want. Write a date on it so it holds you accountable on when you want to achieve it. And then break it into action steps. And the action steps are nothing more than what do I need to do to complete this goal. Now, some of that stuff may take you years, could take you a lifetime. But understand, if you quit, you've failed. And you're average or less than average. If you proceed on and develop that mindset, that ability to move forward under pressure, where you're not going to stop no matter what knocks you off course, you get right back on and get right back on your tasks, you're going to achieve. And you're going to achieve greatness. You're going to achieve things that you never thought you could achieve in your lifetime. See, so many people, they never reach their goals because they never formalize a written goal plan. Remember, folks, the benefits of goal setting are unbelievable. I'll give you 10 quick ones. 1, provides direction in your life. 2, sets priorities in your life. 3, improves your decision-making in life. 4, gives you control over your future, over your life. 5, provides motivation. 6, provides you with a measure of success. 7, gives you a sense of accomplishment. 8, gives you a purpose in life. 9, makes you move forward towards success. And 10, goals hold you accountable for managing your time. I mean, that's 10 huge reasons. Why wouldn't you want to become a goal setter? because not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. And I'm telling you, don't settle for average. Don't settle for second best. Get out in this world and get everything that you can get. Master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Develop them goals and never quit working on them. It doesn't matter if you achieve them when you're 20 or 80. You achieved them. You achieved anything, everything that you thought maybe you couldn't achieve because some simple thing in your mind was holding you back. Fear. You didn't want to leave your comfort zone. Somebody told you you couldn't do it. You tried it and it didn't happen the first time. All of that stuff is excuses. Use them as learning opportunities and have goals so you can be above average, so you can strive for greatness. Remember, folks, the easiest way to set goals is to answer 3 simple questions. What is it that I want to achieve? Question number 1. Question number 2, when do I want to achieve it? And question number 3, where am I today? And what action do I need to take to achieve my goal? There it is, folks. What do you want in this world? Write it down. When do you want to achieve it? Put a date on it. What do you have to do to achieve it? Action steps. There you go. Break your action steps into smaller tasks. Schedule 1 to 5 tasks a day. Complete at least 1 task in your planner each day. And guess what? Each day you're getting closer to everything that you want in this world. Each day you're getting closer to greatness. Each day you're not settling for average or second best, because not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. Folks, master the 3 phases of achievement. Passion. Figure out what you love to do in life. Make it your career. Never work a day. 2, goal setting. Write down everything you want, your written blueprint for your life, and go to work on those action steps. And 3, mindset. Change your mindset. Change the way you see things. Change the way you approach things. Positive in equals positive out. The 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Master them today. Take our 3 courses in them areas. The links are in the show notes below, because not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. And folks, I know you were designed for greatness. I know you were designed to achieve whatever it is that you want in this world. Whatever's holding you back, let us help you get past it. Let us help you get past it. If you want to further today's discussion, post your questions and comments. Again, go over to our community forum. There's a link in the show notes below. Or if you're a Facebook user, go to our group over there. It's called the Move Forward Nation, so we can help you achieve greatness. If you're an iTunes subscriber, please leave us a review, a ranking. A 1-star to a 5-star ranking helps promote this podcast out to the world, and together we can bring a little inspiration to this world each and every day. Business owners trying to keep the cost down. We don't want to charge for this podcast. We want this message to get out to the entire world free every day, because that's how they're going to listen to it. But we need your help. Business owners, please sponsor the podcast. Less than $3.50 an episode. We can talk about your company, your product, and your service to our great group of listeners here, the Move Forward Nation. The information to sponsor this podcast, there's a link in the show notes below, or it's over on our website. Again, that's inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is to educate and inspire people to move forward towards success. So how can I help you find your passion, your dream job in life, establish lifelong goals, and achieve everything that you want in this world? And how can I help you develop the mental performance, the mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure that's needed to succeed in this world? Reach out to us today, folks. We're here for you. Let us share our experiences with you so you can master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. Because not having goals is an excellent recipe for average living. And you were not designed to be average. You were designed to be great. You were designed to achieve everything it is that you want in this world. So let's get out there today and let's chase those goals. Have a great day. Move forward, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Are you struggling with your fitness workouts? Let our professional trainers here at Showtime Performance Training get you on track. We analyze your fitness level, equipment if any, and other data to build your own personalized workout plan, which is optimized for your sport and fitness goals. It's simple. You can work out at home, at your gym, or one of our locations by downloading our fitness workout app for your phone. Each day, your personalized workout, along with exercises and a video description of each, are loaded into the app, so you never have to worry again about your workout plan and schedule. Download the fitness workout app at ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Be sure to view our other performance training services: Speed, Agility, and Quickness, SAQ, Mental Performance, Weight Loss, and Nutritional Meal Planning. Get all the information at ShowtimeSAQ.com. That's ShowtimeSAQ.com. Inspirational University is excited to announce its goal-setting course. Yes, goal setting, your life blueprint. It's available now for your purchase. This is a fantastic program to show you how to become successful in this world. Yes, this course takes you from being a dreamer and becoming a goal setter. Because dreamers dream, but goal setters achieve. This course is a step-by-step process on how to write down your goals, break them into action steps, and then into tasks that are scheduled daily to achieve success or whatever it is that you want in this world. Yes, it's a step-by-step process. The bonus of the training is that we also give you some mental performance training in there. So when things get tough, when you get knocked off course, you can get through that. You have the mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure. Remember, folks, your thoughts control your feelings, and your feelings control your actions. That's the power of goal setting. It creates positive thoughts and, in turn, positive feelings, which lead to positive actions. All components of success. Go on over to our website, inspiringthem.com, to get your copy of this fantastic course today, or there is a link in the show notes below. Goal setting, your life blueprint.